There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my goodness, are you just seeing my channel for the first time? Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. It is very important to your baby girl. And if you want to be the first to be notified of my new video, please do hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload new video, she will be the first to be notified. And for my returning subscribers, oh my goodness, thank you so much guys. Thank you for always coming back to support me. You guys are so amazing and I love you all so much. And if you are new to my channel and you subscribe right now, may God Almighty continue to bless you. You are welcome to this amazing family. All right, so guys, today's video, oh my goodness, it's all about this beautiful wig, guys. I love this hair so much. This hair is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, I can't really do without this hair. Do you want to know where this wig is coming from? Oh my goodness, YOLOVA hair. Oh my god, YOLOVA hair, you guys are the best. Oh my goodness, I really do love this hair so much. I love this hair so much. When I saw the package, I was kind of, oh my god, this hair, it's going to be so beautiful. Oh my goodness, just look at me guys. This wig is so beautiful. It's so beautiful guys. It matches my color so well guys. Oh my goodness, want to have this hair for yourself? Oh my goodness, rush down to my description box right now. Oh my god, click the link below and it will take you to their store, YOLOVA hair. Oh my goodness, they have different kind of hair, beautiful hair. Oh my goodness, and if you order this hair guys, you are going to be having some percent off. Okay, so trust me, rush down to my description box, order this hair for yourself and come back to SEXYOSAS and say thank you. Just thank you is okay for me. Yeah, look beautiful, spend your money for yourself by rushing down to my description box. Click the link below. Oh my goodness, if you want your face to change, if you want to look beautiful, YOLOVA hair is the best place to order your hair. If you don't want this color, I know you do, because it's so beautiful and so natural. So if you don't want this hair for yourself, no problem, also click the link below and you are going to see different kind of hair there, different kind of lengths. You know, actually this one is 22 inches, I think so. Yeah, so beautiful. Oh my goodness, so beautiful, looking so natural. That is it guys. You know, I really love this hair so much. You can tell it's from my excitement. YOLOVA, you guys are the best. I love you guys so much. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for this beautiful hair. Oh my goodness, just rush down to my description box, get this hair for yourself, and you also have a promo code which is SEXYOSAS. Okay, SEXYOSAS is the promo code. You know, going to be having some good percent off. Okay, so we have good hair there. Just go there, support us, buy our hair, and we will give you the best. Yeah, we will give you the best. Okay, YOLOVA hair is simply the best. Trust me guys. You know, SEXYOSAS, I love beautiful things and natural things. Okay, so if you want to know how this hair was done, please do watch my video to the end and see you on my next video. Bye. Hey guys, so you guys are doing fine. Oh my god, I'm here again with another package guys. As you can see, this box is from YOLOVA hair. Yeah, that is it guys. So I'm going to be unboxing it right away. Let's see what we have today. Okay, so this is a beautiful wig, guys. And we also have this, and the last one, this, guys. So this is the wig, and it's so beautiful. Oh my god, the color, it's something else. I really love the color so much, guys. You need to have this hair for yourself. As you can see inside, it's so beautiful, and it came with 4 combs. You see, you can actually use this comb to secure your hair very well, guys. It's very good. I love this hair so much. This hair was so beautiful on me. Oh my goodness, it's so good. So as you can see now, I'm going to be bleaching it, and it doesn't have any smell at all. No, I'm not going to bleach it, guys. I'm going to be using my foundation. Yeah, but you can actually bleach it if you want. So as you can see, after using my foundation, this is it, and you can also secure it with this. And I will be removing this bar because I'm not going to be using it. You can actually leave it, you know, but right now I'm going to be putting on the wig. I'm not going to do so much work on it, guys. Yeah. So I'm doing it as I'm going to be showing you the way you can actually use this lace frontal without stress. Okay, so that is just it. Continue watching, continue, guys. Oh my god, I love this hair. So this is the excess. I will be cutting it off, guys. You know, I've actually measured from my ear to ear to see how it looks. So I'm not going to be using that glue. I will be using this black one because I love this one, and it's very easy to remove, guys. You know, if you use that yellow one, the one I just showed you first before the black one, you need something to remove it. So I don't want that problem, and it can also remove your front hair. You know, I don't have enough front hair, guys, so that's why I always go with that black one. Okay, so after using it, I just had a little spray gel. Okay, you know, just to hold it down a little. So I will be putting it again at the front, you know, to make sure it looks so tight. Okay, so you know, doing this voiceover is something else. So right now I will be removing the lace because I'm not going to be needing it, guys. Yeah, so this is it. So you know, I'm going to be using some little baby hair. I am not bringing lots out because I just need the few just to make it look so natural, you know. So there's other people, they like bringing much out, you know, to do the baby hair for them. So but for me, I don't need much. I just need a little just to cover the front. You know, that's just it. As you can see, it's so beautiful, looking so natural. So I'll be using this to do my baby hair, okay, at the front, guys. You know, so it's so good, and it's very easy to work with. I really do love this hair. YOLOVA hair, they are just the best. You can see the baby hair I did it so natural, but right now I will be using this to hold it down to look more tight. Okay, so right now I'm using my hot comb to blend everything together to make it look so straight, to make it straight. Okay, yeah, so I'm a bit tired today, you know, after enough party yesterday. Yeah, that is it, guys. I'm so tired right now. As you can see now, I'm about to remove it, and it's so natural. You see, very natural. This is exactly what I want. I don't like all those full baby hair, you know, be showing, you know. I don't like them, but you can do it if you love it. Okay, but for me, I like my things to be natural, very natural. I don't like all those semi-finished something. So right now we'll just go ahead to brush the hair. Oh my goodness, this hair is so beautiful, guys. What are you waiting for? Rush down to my description box, order this hair for yourself. You know, I've been doing so many reviews. If you have not been buying, you are missing. Oh, I'm telling you, you are missing, because we have a percent off, you know, promo code which you can actually use to purchase this hair. Okay, so it's very simple and very easy to work with. Oh my goodness, I love this hair so much. You can tell, you know, see, you just see. So tell me why you won't order this hair for yourself, guys. Oh my goodness, I really do love this hair so much. The color was so perfect, so beautiful, guys. That is just it. Thank you so much for always supporting me. Thank you for watching my video. I really do appreciate you all, guys. Thank you so much. My returning subscribers, you guys are the best. I love you all so much. Please continue to support your girl, and see you on my next video. Bye.
Remember, you're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.